Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Widgets. Today we are diving into averages, one of the most important and easy to learn the topic. So in this video you are going to learn what an average is and how to calculate it and how it will be helpful in our real life data. Okay, so let's grab your notebook, let's do some average questions along with me. Okay, if you are watching this video first time, please do subscribe to our channel. So, average is the quotient obtained by the dividing sum of total number of items by the total number of figures. We can also write down that average equals to sum of quantities by number of quantities. Average always lies somewhere between the highest and lowest of the quantities. So let's consider one example here. There are three students, Tina, Anu and Raju. So Tina's English score is 79, Hindi score let's say 80, science score is 82, social science score is 78, math score is 90. Similar way, Anu's and Raju's score also we will write down. So here are the marks obtained by Tina, Anu and Raju. Now the class teacher wants to compare their performances. So she can do this in two ways. Firstly, by finding out the total marks scored by each student, and secondly, comparing their average performances. Let's see. First, let's calculate the total marks scored by Tina, Raju and Anu. So Tina's total is here, if you add all together, which is 409. And total, Anu's total is here 398. And Raju's total marks is 362. Now we got that individual student marks. Now we can compare the performances of these three students by finding out the average marks secured by each. For that, what do? We divide the total marks of each student by total number of subjects. Tina got 409 marks. So, average equals to 409 marks, total marks by how many subjects? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 subjects. If we divide, we will get 81.8. So Naina's average marks are 81.8. Similarly, average marks for Anu, total marks by number of subjects, which is 79.6. Similarly, Raju. Raju's total marks are 362. Number of subjects are 5. So average is 72.4. So we got individual average marks. Now we can compare who did well. So here Tina has highest marks than Anu and Raju. So Tina performed well in the exam. Average, how do we find out? Sum of all the quantities or observations by total number of observations or quantities. Sum of quantities by total number of quantities. Let's see one more example. So the question is, find the average height of four students if their individual heights are 120 centimeter, 142 centimeter, 135 centimeters and 131 centimeters. So we have to find out their average height. How do? We know that average formula. Average formula is sum of quantities by number of quantities. So sum of quantities are here, sum of quantities means for students heights 120 centimeter, 142 centimeter, 135 centimeter and 131 centimeter. Sum added 142 plus 135 plus 131. Total how many number of students are there? 4 students are there. So divided by 4. So average height we will get now. So if we add all together, we will get 528 divided by 4, which means 132 centimeters. That means the average height of 4 students is 132 centimeters. Okay. So the numbers are here whole numbers. What if we have to find out the average for a fractional numbers? So let's see an example here. Find the average of 1 by 4, 2 by 5, 3 by 4, 3 by 5 and 1 by 5. So first we have to add all the fractions here and divide it by total number of fractions. So let's find out 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5 divided by number of quantities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, same denominators when we have, then we can directly add the numerators. Here 1 by 4 and 3 by 4 having same denominators. So we can directly add the numerators, which is 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 4, which is nothing but 1. Plus, here denominator is 5 for the remaining 3 fractions. So when the denominators are same, we can add the numerators. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 by 5 divided by 5, which we can also write it as 1 plus 6 by 5 because 4 by 4 is 1 by 5. 1 plus 6 by 5, nothing but 5 times 1 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 by 5 out of 5. So here denominator is 5 and fraction numerator is 11 by 5. So we can write it as 5 as 5 by 1. So we can reciprocate 11 by 5 times 1 by 5, which is nothing but 11 by 25. So the average of 5 fractions is 11 by 25. Find the average of all factors of 16. All factors of 16. So first we have to find out factors of 16. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now we have to find out the average of all these numbers. We know that sum of quantities by number of quantities. So sum 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 by total number of quantities are 5. So if you add all together, we will get 31. 31 out of 5, which is nothing but 6.2. The sum of all quantities by total number of quantities, which is 31 out of 5. Answer is 6.2. So average of all the factors of 16 is 6.2. Okay. I hope you understand the lesson average. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Now you know how to find out an average and how to add the numbers and divide by the total number of items, and keep practicing it. The more you practice, the easier it will be. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.